Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Eats the Street. Today, Jersey Mike subs. Let's see how these babies are. I'm gonna get the number 2, okay?
Yeah.
Mike's way.
Giant size. We've been like, I don't know, ever since the college kids. Yeah.
Setting up when I got here.
Under. Yeah, he's a stud, isn't he?
Pickles. How about, salt and pepper, a little salt and pepper.
Make sure I have a good sandwich. Just want to make sure I get a good
That
sandwich.
would be a good way to.
You guys always crush it. You made our Super Bowl sandwiches for us, so
Yeah, you guys did the big party pack for us.
you either love them or hate them.
I was just raised on your hatred for.
Oh no, you gotta hate them. I mean, if you don't love them, you gotta hate them. They're too good, right?
Yeah, you can't be in between about it.
All right, here let's unwrap this. This is the Jersey Mike's. All right, there's the old reveal. Okay, let's just try a bite. Mike Eats the Street, Jersey Mike. This is Italian sub. Nice ham. Nice Italian meat. Provolone. The onions are sweet. The oil and vinegar is perfect. Lettuce and tomato. This is a 10 out of 10. I love an Italian sub. I grew up on the East Coast, not New Jersey. And Jersey Mike's hits the spot. Let's try another one. Sweet babble. One more bite. For more recipes like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm chilling. All right, shut that up, baby.
I don't know how, baby.
Okay.